Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, November 2nd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. What a change in temperature. Yesterday, it was in the 70s here, and today the high is going to get to 48 degrees. So I got the winter jacket out, and man, what a change. But anyway, with that being said, I just wanted to shoot a quick video while I ride over to the soap shop this morning and tell you that you can build your own mailbox money empire starting today. All right, it doesn't take a lot of work. It's very simple to do. And you can get started for $50. All right, with $50 you're going to get a marketing kit. It has 200 postcards in it. You're going to get 200 peel and stick address labels with opportunity seeking names on them. So these are people who are actually looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. And that's all you do. If you can put a stamp or an address label on a postcard, you can make this work. And I got some postcards here that I'm going to send out. All right, I'm not going to show the addresses, but they do have the stamp on them. They're getting ready to go out in the mailbox. And yeah, I mean, it's super easy to do. I love this opportunity. You can get in, like I mentioned, for $50. You're going to get your marketing kit. That's phase one. We have a two-phase system here. So phase one, when you join, not only are you going to get the marketing kit, and it has a bunch of other stuff in it too, but each time you refer somebody into the program, you're going to earn a $25 fast start bonus. All right, so those add up over time. And then we have phase two. Okay, in phase two, you can join we have 8 different levels, ranging from $100 all the way up to $5,000. Now, with the $100 level, you're going to earn $70 commissions on people who join you at that level. All the way up to level 8 at the $5,000 level. If you join that and have somebody join you, you're going to earn $3,500 commissions. All right, and believe it or not, people join at these top levels. All right, right now I'm currently at level 3, which is the $1,000 level. So each time I bring someone in at that level, I'm going to earn an additional $700. All right, and then my sponsor's going to earn money. So when you start referring people into this opportunity, not only are you going to earn money from them, you're also going to earn money from the people that they bring in. All right, so this builds residual income over time. And then on top of the fast start bonuses, we have spillover bonuses, we have upgrade bonuses. It's just a really cool compensation plan. And again, it's as easy as mailing out postcards. All right, you just have to stay consistent with it if that's the method you choose to go. Some people just do postcards. Other people do just online marketing. I like to do both. All right, I love making videos. I love sharing the opportunity on Facebook and YouTube, and I love mailing postcards. All right, I mean, I don't know how many postcards I've showed you this week, but I've sent out hundreds of postcards already this week, and I got a new batch that I did up last night that I'm going to put in the mailbox today when I go and ship out our soap orders. So, the key is consistency. You just have to stay consistent with whatever marketing method you choose to do, and then you'll have success over time. All right, it's not a get-rich-quick opportunity. It's been in business for several years now, and it's just flat out works. It works for those who work the business. All right, like I say, if you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby pay. If you treat it like a business, you're going to get business pay. All right? And you just can't give up on it. You can't mail out 200 postcards and then not get a response in 1 or 2 weeks and then quit and say it doesn't work. All right? I mean, sometimes people will join, they'll keep that postcard on their desk for a year before they revisit it and join. All right? So things that you look at it as like you're planting seeds today. Like when I send out this batch of postcards, I'm looking at it like it's a bag of seeds that I'm planting. All right, and over time, this will bring in money. This will grow. People will look at this, and over time, if they don't join right away, they'll join over time. All right, and obviously some people just look at the postcard and throw it out. That's normal too. I mean, it's not for everybody. Not everybody is looking to mail postcards for a way to make money. But most people right now are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, at least supplement it, okay? So it's a super simple system, and you can literally start building your own mailbox money empire, all right? Turn your mailbox into a cash machine. So visit visit mailboxmoneyempire.com. All right, mailboxmoneyempire.com. There's going to be a link down below this video somewhere. And just check it out. You know, enter your name and email. It's going to take you over to another page that has a couple videos on it. Watch those videos. It goes into great depth on how everything works. All right, and then my contact number and email address is on that page too. So let me know when you join, and I'm going to send you a page that I put together that has over 80 places that you can share this opportunity online. All right, 99% of the places are free. So go to mailboxmoneyempire.com, click the link down below, and check it out. All right. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. You can also click that notification bell, and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.